In this video, we will be showing you how to calculate the density of a solution at many different concentrations in order to estimate the concentration of an unknown solution. Before continuing on with lab techniques, we must first review a few key pieces of background information. It is important to understand the three questions displayed on screen. First, what is a stock solution? A stock solution is a concentrated solution that will be diluted to some lower concentration for actual use. In this lab, it is a 20% sugar solution. Secondly, what is the dilution? In this lab, we will be using deionized water to dilute the stock solution to different concentrations. These two are related by the dilution equation, which is further explained at the end of this video. Since this lab deals a lot with measuring liquids, it is important to review how to correctly read and record volume, as well as why a meniscus forms. A meniscus, as shown on screen, occurs when the molecules of the liquid are attracted to those of the container.
Reading the volume of the liquid, always read at the bottom of the meniscus and record that.
Make sure you practice this method while recording initial and final volumes in the pipette, as well as ensuring there is only 10 milliliters of liquid in the volumetric flask. Now that you know this method, you may continue on with the rest of the lab. In order to successfully complete the experiment, please collect the following materials. An outline of the experiment is on the screen. Please take a second to familiarize yourself with it before continuing on with the video.
Obtain 10 milliliters of 20% solution and put it in the volumetric flask. Now weigh the flask with 10 milliliters of the 20% solution.
Of the 20% sugar solution. Measuring the 8 milliliters of sugar and then 2 liters of water, and it's measured at 19.989 grams. In between each solution change.
Now measure 6 milliliters of the 20% sugar solution. And fill up the flask with another 4 milliliters of water. Volumetric flask with the 6 milliliters of sugar solution and 4 milliliters of water. It weighs 19.918 grams.
Add in the 4 milliliters of sugar solution. Going to weigh the 4 milliliters of 20% sugar solution and 6 milliliters of water. Weight is 19.908 grams.
To complete cleanup, just wipe your lab station with a wet paper towel to get rid of the sugar solution. At the end of the lab, you should have a data table that resembles the following. Now we move on to calculations. To establish the concentration of your solution for trials 2 through 4, manipulate the following equation so you can find what C2 is. To calculate density, simply divide the mass of the solution by its volume. The final step of this lab is creating a graph comparing the concentration of sugar to the density of the solution. The graph with the results collected from this video is shown on the screen. You are now ready to complete the lab on your own.